I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night like I'm leaving.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Today's video, I am doing another clean with me. My house, as I've said a million times before, honestly just looks like a bomb has gone off on it every day. We are adjusting majorly. We have Cooper home. He is a puppy. He is only a few months old. I think he's now 3 months old, but he is wild. He's basically my son, like, as a dog. So between my son and him, I have had my hands full. I have been so behind on getting stuff done. So this was the night before 4th of July. We were going to have people over the next day, and I wanted to make sure that I got everything picked up and looking nice for the 4th of July.
I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night like I'm leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night like I'm leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly.
Okay guys, so this is one of the newer products that I have purchased. It is the 7th generation disinfecting spray, and I gotta tell y'all, it is not my favorite at all. I do not like the smell of it. It cleans pretty well, so I've still been trying to use it quickly and get rid of it. I really like the other 7th generation multi-purpose sprays that I've bought in. However, this one, I just can't get over the smell. I don't like it. So I did go ahead and continue just using wood cleaner on my table and all of the wood throughout the house.
Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb,
Dishes are one of those chores that I just absolutely hate. I hate unloading the dishwasher, and obviously I'm not a big fan of loading and cleaning dirty dishes either, but even worse is the unloading of the dishwasher. Typically my husband does this, but I have been slacking on washing dishes, so I needed to do that in the morning, and I ran it in the morning. It takes about 3 hours per cycle for our washer and dryer, and my husband goes to bed earlier in the afternoon, so he did not have time to unload it. So I went ahead, unloaded it, and began reloading it for the final wash of the night that should have at least got everything caught up.
But it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Now, I purchased these prints off Amazon. I really liked just how simple they were, and I thought they would be perfect right here on this wall. This is the next day of this clip. My husband had put it up that morning for me, and guys, I am in love with this. I think I am going to get another set. It does come in a set of 6. However, I think I only want to put 3 more up, so it's like a triple grid line instead of just double. I don't know. I am super excited for it though, and I absolutely love the little touch that it brings into our kitchen.
Brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed? Or was it a for? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself.
Alright guys, and that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I am going to start next week on a more regular schedule for posting. So I will begin posting on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Tuesdays and Saturdays I want to leave more for my cleaning videos and like the deep organization videos. And then Thursdays I want to do more of like the grocery hauls or my Grove hauls, my Rae Dunn things, all the fun stuff like that. So if you are interested in any of those, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.